Here's problem 9 from the 2018 AMC 8. Tyler is tiling the floor of his 12-foot by 16-foot living room. He places 1 foot by 1 foot square tiles to form a border along the edges of the room, and fills the rest with 2 foot by 2 foot square tiles. How many tiles will he use in total? The choices are 48, 87, 91, 96, and 120. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's draw the floor. It is 16 feet wide and 12 feet tall. The outer ring, 1 foot wide, is the border made of 1 by 1 tiles. Everything inside gets filled with the bigger 2 by 2 tiles. First, the border. Each 1 by 1 tile covers 1 foot of the edge. So the number of border tiles equals the perimeter in feet. That is 2 times 12 plus 2 times 16, which is 24 plus 32, equals 56. But the 4 corner tiles were each counted twice. So we subtract 4. 56 minus 4 gives 52 border tiles. Now the inside. Removing the 1 foot border from each side leaves a region 12 minus 2 by 16 minus 2, which is 10 feet by 14 feet. That is 140 square feet. Each 2 by 2 tile covers 4 square feet, so we need 140 divided by 4, which is 35 tiles. Adding them up, 52 border tiles plus 35 interior tiles equals 87 tiles in total. The answer is 87. Choice B. The answer is 87.